Hi, it's me. It's Gavin. I'm just at the park. It's a lovely day. Just slowly walking around in this cold weather. Always wearing a jacket or a jumper, whatever you call it. Thingamajig. And the birds, lovely birds. Yeah, I'm just so relaxed at the moment. Yeah. There's so many bloody trees, it's crazy. Lovely Perth. My new life. I've got so much to do. And so little time. Yeah. I wonder what I should do. Find a hobby or something. Collection. I'm not going to watch a whole TV series or anything like that. My digital life is over. I just like, I don't know, YouTube and all that. Well, nearly tripped over. Today I went and I looked at some candy, and some of those processed foods have more sugar than an energy drink. It's crazy. Like, a little bar has like 30 grams of sugar in it, and I was just like, nah. I opened my eyes and I was like, nah. I prefer a can of Coke or something. So I just opened my eyes on some of that stuff. It's crazy. You learn things every day, I must say. Well, thanks for watching my video. I don't know how long I'm going to be doing this for. Hopefully I keep it up for a couple of years, or I actually don't know why. But just let the future do its own thing. Alright guys, have a good one. Peace.